Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to turn off Tesla Model 3 location tracking. Many drivers are concerned about their privacy and want to manage what data their vehicle shares. This easy method will guide you through the necessary steps directly on your car's touchscreen. You'll learn how to quickly access the privacy settings and make adjustments to ensure your location data remains private. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments to complete. First, begin by sitting in your Tesla Model 3 and ensuring the vehicle is powered on. On the large central touchscreen, you will see several icons at the bottom. Tap the car icon, which represents controls, to open the main settings menu. From there, look for the safety and security option. This section houses various important settings related to your vehicle's operation and data management. It's a crucial first step. Once you are in the Safety and Security menu, scroll down until you find the Data Sharing section. Within this section, you will see an option specifically labeled Vehicle Data Sharing. This is the key setting we need to adjust. Simply tap the toggle switch next to Vehicle Data Sharing to turn it off. A confirmation prompt might appear. Ensure you confirm your choice to save the new privacy setting. After turning off Vehicle Data Sharing, it is a good practice to quickly navigate back to the Safety and Security menu to confirm that the toggle switch remains in the off position. This ensures your changes have been successfully applied. Now, your Tesla Model 3 will no longer share its location data, giving you greater peace of mind regarding your personal privacy. You can always re-enable this feature if your needs change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.